In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to create short and long answer questions. We'll build a text question from scratch, choose between single line and multi-line responses, and finish by setting requirements and restrictions so you collect exactly the information you need. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. You'll land on the main design page where all your forms live. From here, choose either plus new form or plus new quiz. Use new form when you're creating surveys, registrations, or general questionnaires. Choose new quiz when you plan to assign points and automatically grade responses. Either choice takes you into the editor with a blank canvas. In the editor, add your first question by selecting plus add new and then picking text. Text is the question type designed for written responses, as opposed to multiple choice or ratings. A new question card appears. Click into the question field and type the prompt you want people to answer. Keep it clear and direct so respondents know exactly what to provide. For example, you might ask for a job title, a project summary, or feedback on a recent event. You can always come back and refine the wording later. Now, let's choose between short and long answers. By default, text questions are short answer, which means respondents see a single line box that's ideal for brief inputs like names, IDs, or concise facts. If you expect a fuller response, something like a paragraph of feedback or a detailed explanation, turn on long answer. You'll find the long answer toggle at the bottom of the question card. Switching it on expands the response box to multiple lines, giving people room to write more comfortably. Decide whether this question is optional or mandatory. Use the required toggle on the question card to make it mandatory. When required is on, respondents must complete the field before submitting the form. This is great for collecting essentials you can't process the form without. Finally, fine-tune what's allowed in the response. Click the three dots on the question card to open more options, then select Restrictions. Here you can limit responses to numbers only, which is perfect for budgets, quantities, or IDs. You can also set minimum and maximum character counts to encourage concise or sufficiently detailed answers. Character limits help standardize responses and reduce follow-up. That's it. You've created a text question, chosen the right answer length, marked it required when needed, and applied restrictions for clean, consistent data.